Okay, fellas, what I have to show you here today is most definitely my favorite toy that I have in my collection. This is a MARX U.S. Army Engineers dump truck with driver. These things are extremely rare to find. If you do find them, they're going to be in terrible condition. The beds were known to break and warp. It's a plastic bed. Many of the parts were known to just disappear over the years with hard play from kids. When I acquired this one here, it was missing the windshield, it was missing a front bumper, it was missing the steering wheel. The driver had no helmet, and the dump was not working well. But I knew it was a good investment, and I wanted to tinker with it and get it going, and so I did. It took a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it was fun. I mean, it wasn't, it wasn't a hard job. It was fun. And let's show you what I did here. It had no bumper at all. So I made a front bumper for a nice heavy-duty push bumper with the license plate tag on top. And windshield I got from another MARX truck, fit on there perfect, as well as the steering wheel. This is a small steering wheel. And the helmet was kind of funny. Couldn't find a helmet for it anywhere. Nowhere, anywhere. So I made that helmet. What I actually made it out of was a measuring spoon. Actually a measuring spoon. Plastic measuring spoon. I cut the handle off it and painted it camo. And it sit on there perfect. And if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. So, now, what makes this thing so rare and so cool is the fact that unlike most wind-up things, like the trains and what have you, that most of them only do one function. Some do two functions. This one here, it's a big truck. It's about 12 inches long, 12 inches long. It's heavy, and it does three different functions with one wind-up motor. Okay, you wind this up, and the truck moves down the road, comes to a stop. The driver turns his head to look at you. The dump body goes up and dumps the load. It goes down. The driver turns his head back forward, and he drives off. All of that from one wind-up mechanism, which is not a big mechanism. It's just like the ones in the other wind-ups that you've seen, tractor or whatever I have. Okay, and it's a very unique toy. It really is. If you go online and look, there's one listing, an old eBay. It might still be current, be active, an eBay listing for one of these. But that's it. There's no videos at all on YouTube. No other pictures or anything else other than that one you will find. And so I'm pretty happy to share this with you guys because it is unique, and you will not see these everywhere. I guarantee you won't. You can go online right now after you finish this video and search. And if you find one, you send it to me. I'm telling you, there's one listing at eBay. That's the only one. Alright, let me wind her up and get them set and show you what this guy can do. There you have it, guys. That's about it, really. It's, I believe, to be quite a rare toy. Not many of them out there, that's for sure, I'll tell you that. Alright guys, I'm going to try to get to go through the sequence here. A very short table here to work with. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Let's see if I can get to that on and off switch. guys, so that's a wrap on the MARX wind-up Army engineer truck. And next video we're going to feature this Army man's brother, his civilian brother who did not go off to war, and his name is Mac. And here he is. He's called Auto Mac. Okay, and he's the wonder driver. And when I got to Auto Mac, he was missing many parts. So you can see the windshield being replaced, missing a hat, missing a steering wheel, missing a key, no bed on the truck. I fabricated a little wooden bed for it, and works quite well. So the Army dump truck was a popular toy, and although it appears not many of them survived the wear and tear of little boys, it was a popular toy, and they came out with a civilian version of it, Auto Mac, and works exactly the same way. So follow-up video I'm going to be doing on Auto Mac. I'll show you how it works, and maybe we'll see if we can get the two of them to run together. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, any info you have, I always welcome. Book 'em, Daniel.